What's going on, YouTube? Today we're gonna be going over how I made just about $1,600 today trading NQ. So just gonna jump right into it. And like, oh, he got the camera. He got the camera. Yeah, you mean got the camera today. See how y'all liking it. If I stutter and don't mind me. I don't like cameras, so we're gonna make this quick. Here's the P&L card for y'all. 16.8, and we're gonna jump right into it. So as y'all can see, just going into New York session, we sold off crazy last night. So I was already liking higher prices. I know the war going on, yada yada. SPY and QQQ made a gap from London to Asia, and I really like for that to get filled. If we go over here and look real quick, there's this gap right here. Still didn't get filled all the way, but that's why I like price to go higher. One of the reasons why I like price to go higher. So we took our first trade, 922. It's over here. As y'all can see, I combined two fair value gaps into one. That is something I previously just started doing. And I like it. Depends on how you use it and when you use it, but for this trade, it panned out, pretty good. So our entry was, once we got a close above that, stop right there at that low, and then our first target was our pivot point up there at 634. And then we got the open, dipped and then ran up and hit TP. Now that trade, I took it on the micros. We made a couple bucks. Our next trade we took on options. I don't got this doesn't show my options trades because I take them on Robinhood, but the next trade I took on options, and it was once we swept, so I closed out of this. I still like price to go higher, but then obviously we dumped. We took London lows. I'm like, okay, bet we grab London lows. I like the price to trade higher, like even more now, because you got that liquidity grab. Looking back, options I sized to 0. I think I hopped in calls somewhere around here. We kind of chopped in this area for a bit. I normally don't go break even. I'm like against break even trades. I don't know why. I was like, oh, let me just, put my stop at break even. It hit break even, and then, ran all the way up, of course. But so yeah, so we hit a break even trade on options, and then we got a couple of points. Where's it at? We got a couple of points off of this sell that we closed out right there. See, we got the inverse. Can't remember where I trimmed it or trailed it at. I believe it was somewhere over here, but got a couple points off of that. I was just like a little jab, totaling out. We are up 1,600 on the day. Now, looking back at the market, I really love that trade. that we took at 922 for that move up. I would say just as good though. I like this trade right here because you see all we did was tap into this 1 hour gap right over right here at 9 o'clock. We tapped into this 1 hour gap and then rejected off of that to sweep London lows and then move higher. So I feel as though that was like another good quality trade that one could have taken. And then, you know, other than that, I really didn't. You know, we got these 4 hour gaps. I would have loved if we would have took Asia highs before dumping, but we didn't. So, you know, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. We gave it out in the Discord server. You mean, for those who watch, for those of y'all who watch to the end of the video, this is for y'all. This is for y'all. So, going into Asia session, I'm not doing the Asia session stream today, but this is what I would be looking at. I would be looking at this right here. This 1 hour gap. It's bullish. Something like this. Price to make its way down here. Respect it. And for us to trade higher. Now again, may not happen. But with this inverse in this 4 hour, I feel like that's a good, I feel like that's a good take. But yeah, man, I know y'all miss me. We back. We got our TPT account, so we're gonna be trading them. Like I told y'all in the last video, we done with Apex. And yeah, man, if there's anything y'all want me to go over more in these recaps, anything y'all want me to cut out, just let me know. Feedback is well appreciated. Links for the Discord is in the description. Couldn't get the words out. Link for the Discord is in the description. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm not live until Wednesday. You know, my voice still not, feeling that good. So not live until, oh no, I'm sorry. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Maybe Thursday or maybe next week, honestly. But I'll be in the Discord trading in the chat, so y'all jump in there. But yeah, man, I'll see y'all 9:30 tomorrow. Y'all stay safe and God bless.